What's up guys, welcome back. This is Prabhashankar Khare and I welcome you all to my channel, the PS Digitals. In our last video, we have created one beautiful website using Wix ADI. So if you haven't watched that video, then please go and watch it. And I have mentioned link in description below, and you can also find out that in I button here. Okay, so please go and watch it. And in this video, we are going to edit that website. Like if I want to make some changes into that, then we will see how we can do that. If I want to add some sections into that, then we will see how we can do that. And we will also see that how we can change the design in mobile version also. Okay, so for that I need to share my screen with you. So let's get back into my screen. So as you can see that guys, we have created this website. So to edit this website, just click on select and edit site. Okay, and it will take you to this website dashboard. So to edit this website, just click on this site action drop down and click on edit site, or you can also click this edit site button also. Okay, so just click there and wait for the Wix editor. So this is the website which we have made in our last video. So to edit this website, like if you want to edit this image, then how you can do that, we will discuss all about that in this video. So to edit this image, just click on this image, just go to this replace button. Okay, and choose any of the image you want. Like you can search on this media from Wix option, Shutterstock, and they provide Unsplash also. Okay, or if you want to add your own image, so just click on this upload media button and click your own image also. Okay, so we will search for the book. Okay, and let's see, let's take this image. Okay, and click on apply. So this is how you can change the image. And if you want to add anything, like if you want to add one more section between this our story and this product or services section, then just click on this plus button, which is saying that add new section here. Okay, and you can choose any of these sections from your left side. Okay, you can choose from about us. As we see that about us is already there, so we will see like in the news and project. So let's take this one here. Okay, so just click here. Okay, and drag and drop here. Okay, and a new section will automatically add it into your website. So as you can see that this is the section which we have added just now. Okay, if you want to change the image ratio, then just click here and change it. Okay, like if you want the image in the ratio of 16:9, 4:3, 1:1. Okay, so you can easily change it from here. Okay, so this is how you can add some new sections into your website. Like if you want to add, let's suppose FAQ section here. Okay, so just click on plus button and go to FAQ option and choose any of the designs from here. Okay, let's suppose we will take the last one. Okay, so click, drag and drop here, and the FAQ section is added in your website. Okay, and if you want to edit it, so just click here. Okay, and it will take you to the same question. And if you want to edit, so just go and you can easily edit it. Okay, for now I will not edit it. Okay, so I have just undo this. And if you want to optimize this for mobile, okay, so as we have already discussed that it is already optimized for mobile. So you just, if you want to change some design, if you want to move something here and there, then you can easily do that. like if you want that image to come down, then you can easily do that. Just click here and go to this section design. Okay, so here you will get some by default design option which you can easily choose that. Like if I want to use this layout, then just click here. Okay, and your layout is automatically changed. Okay, and if you want to change this design, so just click here and go to any of this option. Okay, and your layout is changed now. So this is how you can you can change the layout of your mobile version. Okay, you can't edit it completely. If you want to if you want to change the title here. Okay, if you want to change this title, let's suppose I want to change this title. Okay? Just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist, I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. So as you can see here that it is saying that to edit this text, go to desktop version. Okay. So if you want to edit some text from here, okay, so just you need to go back to desktop version, and from there you can edit it. So yeah, let's change the header option also. Just choose any of this, yeah, and we will choose this one. So this is how you can change the layout of your mobile version, guys, and this is how you can edit your complete website. You can add some new sections if you want. Okay, and yes, just give it a try, and I hope that you will really enjoy it. And so I hope you have found this video valuable. So please like this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon to get further notifications of the video which I am going to upload now. Okay, so we will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much.